Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. This is gonna be a new type of thing going on here. I'm gonna be using my phone, which we're gonna pull up. Sorry, I was in the middle of editing photo here. I'm gonna discard that one. But yeah, I'm gonna be using essentially, you know, my phone here, and we're gonna be looking up accounts. Eventually, I'd like to have some submissions, but as it is right now, guys, I don't know if you didn't notice, but I'm not a big personality yet. I'm a nobody, seriously. I don't know how often I want to do these. I want to do them like once a week, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, our number one. Okay, this is Cho 4x4. Dang. This thing looks beast. What it looks like we got going on here is definitely some really nice, I think those are King suspensions. I want to see if he has a build list actually. Parts, yep, rock sliders. So he's got Cali rays, 25 degree with kick, rock sliders, lights, Cali rays, ditch lights with side shooters, and bracket and light bar. Wow, is this dude like freaking Cali rays sponsored? By the way, we have no sponsors here. If you want to be a sponsor, go ahead. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding, but you know, I'm freaking obviously not. This isn't a big thing. There's no audience for this yet. Anyway, we got a winch, a Warren Industries M8000s, bumpers, brute force fab fronts, hybrid rears, high clearance. All right, suspension, King shocks. Picked it. And I only looked at one photo, guys. I only looked at one photo. I'm knowing my shiz. Gotta keep it kid friendly. I'm knowing my stuff. Oh, by the way, the King shocks are OEM performance, 2.5 shocks, extra travel, or EXT travel. Guys, I'm not a really freaking, like I said, I'm new to this. Like, I didn't get into modding trucks until 2 weeks ago, so give me a freaking break. With adjusters, I don't even know. Yeah, never mind. So, overall, I love this build. I love the bronze wheels. I believe, I want to say that those, what wheels are those? What wheels are those, dude? He doesn't have the wheels listed. All right, Stealth Custom Series. Those are what the wheels look like. Dang, this thing is sexy. I love the cement color. I'm a sucker for gray. New lens I'm working with here. Trying to get it to just keep focus. All right, guys, I think we're gonna do just a 1 to 10 rating system for now, and then we'll think of something creative in the future, but for now, we'll just do a 1 to 10. As for this guy's build, from everything that I've seen, I'd put it at like a solid 7.5. And I really like it. I really do love it. I love the build. It's just like the only thing I'm missing is the tent, is the rear end. The rear end. You know, he's got bumper on the back. He's replaced both bumpers. He's got a lot of aftermarket parts going for it. It looks really good, but I would like to see a roof rack or something like I'm an off-roading guy. I like to camp. I like to, you know, I want to camp in my truck. I want to do that. And this is an off-road build. Now, totally understandable for just off-road, you know, weekends. It's fun, whatever. Totally understandable. I'm not saying that this thing is not capable of that. It absolutely is. It absolutely is a beast-looking rig. And maybe he just wants to, you know, keep everything off his suspension or whatever, not load it too heavy. But for me, you know, like for my personal preference is gonna be different from yours, so don't kill me. I'd say 7.5. Like, if I own this truck, I would still do things to it. There are still a lot of things. All right, flat fee heights. So this guy's awesome. I don't know him personally, but he's got a TRD Pro lift. It looks like a lift kit, some sort of lift kit. I want to say Kings just because I see the blue in there, but I'm not 100% sure. It looks like those tires are like 35s. I would like to. Who are these guys? They're aggressive tires, dude. I can't find a parts list, or at least he's not making it easy for me to see a parts list. I really like the color on these wheels, guys. The rim of these is really good looking. It's this very rich bronze, and then he's got a black interior, and then of course black with the tire, and then you got the fenders that are black. It just looks really good. This is actually something I'm going for. Very similar, but silver, and of course without that bed cover. So the bed cover I'm kind of like not into. it works for this. It looks very clean. It's, you know, an SUV looking like thing. But for me, I don't know. I don't like that personally. I like having kind of a bed rack rather, and then a tent on top or something like that. That's personal. Very clean. The score, I will give it, in my personal opinion, you can think otherwise. Go ahead and put down in the comments below what you think these should be. I'm gonna give it a solid 7. I'm sticking around the 7, guys, and really it's just because of that bed cover. That's really it, and color. I like grays. I'm a gray guy, but other than that, really good looking truck. I love it, looks great. I can't tell what's going on in the engine on these, so maybe there's a lot more to it. But yeah, we're just going on outwards appearance. All right, next up is my personal favorite, the guy that got me pretty much into everything. That Tacoma though, here he is. Go check him out on Instagram, awesome guy. But yeah, dude has an insane truck. He just moved to 37s on his tires, so this is a little bit outdated. He also got some new shocks, I believe. But you can see here, this is what his Tacoma looks like. I've seen this thing in person, and it is gnarly. It is a beast. I love a lot of things about this. Now again, my problems are mostly with the bed. Great looking truck from the front and everything. But yeah, I do like the look of a bed rack. You know, that's just me. So this truck, obviously, if he wanted a bed rack, he could put a bed rack on it with how much he's done to that. So no fault to him. But dang, dude, it is a good looking truck. Really clean, really sexy. You got the white and black Stormtrooper look, tinted windows, it looks like. Just an overall, he's got some good panels in the back. I mean, you can see some stickers here in the back, just the Toyota. Some great decals. I believe it's based off of a TRD Pro, because with the Pro grill up front. I could be wrong. BDS suspension, 6-inch to 8.5 adjustable lift, so this thing is high. Fox Racing suspensions. Oh, I know he switched those, but those are really good. Dang. What is that? Meso Customs LED side markers, Yoda Mafia 6-piece rock lights, Lil BS fabrications, running 4 tacos, hybrid front bumper. Dang. Baja Designs official front lights in bumper / LED rocks lights in Meso Customs BD5 mold. So he's done a lot of custom work to this truck, dude. I'm giving him a solid 8.5. I've already made up that number in my mind. I've already looked at his stuff. I love it. I really do. The only reason he's not a 10 is because no bed rack. But hey, I can't fault him for that if that's not what he's going for. All right, guys, that wraps it up. Big shout out to everyone I just mentioned. I don't know, I'll put their tags right here. Anyway, guys, go follow them right here. I'll put their tags right here. I screenshotted everyone. So you guys should go follow them. Go follow their truck builds. Again, personal preference here, so don't take anything to heart. But yeah, I was sticking around the 7.5s to 8s region. I do like those trucks. Those trucks are really good. I would take any of them off-roading. Really nice builds. So, of course, this is coming from a guy who hasn't even done a suspension lift yet. We're getting that fixed, hopefully in the next 2 weeks. But anyway, guys, yeah, thanks for our sponsors. Nobody. And we'll catch you in the next episode. Let me know if you guys want to see me do more of these. You can go follow me on Instagram and actually DM me some of your suggestions, or submit your own Tacoma or 4Runner. I'll do any Toyota. But yeah, shoot me your own Toyota brand vehicle, and we'll rate it here, as long as it's like off-roading. It's got to be 4-wheel drive, guys, or nothing. Otherwise, I'm going to give it a 0 or a 1. I'm going to give it a 1. I'll notice it and then give it a 1. But anyway, shoot me your DMs. Let me know. And then yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel, really helps me out, really lets me know that you want to see more content like this. Catch you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.